Hello, and welcome to the continuation of this podcast series, Drugs, Biologics and Medical Devices. Is this really as simple as so many people think? My name is Dr. Michael Drews. The next example of a medical device I'd like to discuss briefly is this thing. Is this thing that this woman is putting into her ear a medical device? Well, it might be. After all, it's going into her body. But we have to ask the question, what does it do? And actually, from a regulatory perspective, what it does is not really so important. What is much more important is what we claim it does. And by the way, what a product can do and what a product is advertised or claimed to do is not necessarily the same thing. But we won't get into that right here. In this particular case, this is a real product. It's called the WaxVac. For those that are not familiar with this product, let me share with you an infomercial describing the product.
We all know we shouldn't use cotton swabs to clean or dry our ears. They even warn us, but we do it anyway. Ow! Stop. There's a better way. Introducing WaxVac, the safe and effective way to clean and dry your ears. WaxVac will help your whole family feel better and keep their ears healthier. Here's how it works. Unlike cotton swabs, which push dirt and harmful wax further into your ear and can puncture your eardrum, ouch! WaxVac gently draws dirt particles and moisture out of your ear rather than pushing it in. There's nothing else like it. WaxVac is quiet. Listen. Safe. Its unique safety guard prevents it from going too deep like an ear thermometer. And effective. See how gently it vacs water and dirt, leaving your ears clean and dry. You just empty it out when you're done. Doctors everywhere warn against using cotton swabs to clean your ears.
Don't use a cotton swab in your ear because it can cause significant damage.
No one likes water in their ears. Don't pound your head. Use WaxVac instead.
I know I shouldn't use cotton swabs to clean my ears. WaxVac seems like the perfect solution.
Sometimes cotton swabs hurt. If they like it, I love it.
The rest is just marketing hype. But the question remains, is the WaxVac a medical device? Once again, this is not a simple question. Well, let's examine this case a little bit further by looking at some of the claims on the label. It says, the safe and effective way to clean and dry your ears. Well, that's a pretty strong claim for a product if it's not a medical device and has not undergone any clinical trials. How do we in fact know it's safe and effective? In fact, taking it a half a step further, it actually sounds like it could be like soap. So is soap a medical device? That's beyond the scope of this particular discussion, but once again, depending on the claims, soap, just like the WaxVac, could be considered a medical device depending on how exactly we list the claims. Bottom line, when we use the WaxVac, in many ways, it's very similar to using a cotton swab. So, how we regulate one actually can determine how we regulate the other. Or does it? Well, once again, this is another case that illustrates quite beautifully the fuzzy nature of how we regulate some medical devices and at the same time, we do not regulate others. My name is Dr. Michael Drews. If you have any questions or you would like further information, feel free to contact me. Thank you for your attention.